ideas for entrepreneurship growth. Many people fail to develop their potential for creative thinking. Many have ignored the habit of grasping ideas and developing ideas to mission, products, and services. You can grow your life and business by developing ideas and creative thinking. You can turn challenges to opportunities by application of creative thinking. You can develop amazing solutions to life's challenges by application of creative thinking. Develop your aptitude to grasp ideas, think creativity, and develop ideas to solutions, products, and services. Look around you and know every item you see is really somebody's ideas developed into something that gives value to people. There is greatness in everybody. Everybody has the potential to think creatively and apply ideas to invent solutions, products, and services that can make our world a better place. You have the potential to think creatively and demonstrate unique talents. It is said that necessity is the mother of invention, but you need not wait for necessity before you put on your thinking cap. If you want to live to make a difference, you should develop creative thinking and apply ideas effectively to achieve your goals. If you want to scale your effectiveness and touch the lives of people to make our world a better place, you need to develop creative thinking aptitude and apply ideas to achieve set goals. Develop creative thinking habits. If you desire to build and sustain rewarding relationships in life and business, you need to develop creative thinking habits. If you desire to achieve set goals in life and create welcome legacy, you need to develop creative thinking habits. If you desire to develop a vision that is in accord with your unique life purpose and create a team that is effective, you need to develop creative thinking habits. I will now share tips to develop creative aptitude and ideas for entrepreneurship growth. 1. Brainstorm with family, friends, and associates. 2. Be a good listener. Jot down points and repeat your notes reflectively. 3. Social media, influencers, mentoring, and experts' guidance. Check content for links or read quality books. Quality books provide ideas, opportunities, knowledge, and mentoring. 5. Ask questions. There is no question that is irrelevant. Why, how, where, and when triggers new perspectives to a situation. 6. Keep close company with successful achievers and people in your field of interest. 7. Keep learning and developing self-attend seminars, webinars, workshops, and meetings to develop knowledge and skills. 8. Dream big and fantasize. 9. Keep log of your thoughts and opinions. Thoughts have life. Thoughts have energy. They can trigger the mind to generate ideas and insights. Keeping records gives you opportunities to refresh your mind and generate options you might consider. 10. Use your mind and imagination. Your mind is a creative organ with power to receive and generate thoughts and ideas. You can imagine and think out situations and solutions. When you experience a flash or a hunch, pay attention and take necessary action effective. You need to develop creative thinking habits. I will now share tips to develop creative thinking aptitude and ideas for entrepreneurship growth. See notes for links. Bravo. Thank you for watching to the end of this tutorial. I hope you got some inspiration from this. Kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also make some comments to prompt me as I create more videos for your interest. Remember to claim your free book, Your Compass to Financial Freedom. Be with you in our next video.